Jeffro from Two Hacks Garage. Yep, we're on a mission from God. That line sounds familiar? Well, it's from the Blues Brothers. Great movie, one of my favorites. Speaking of Blues Brothers, there's a really huge fan that knows that movie inside and out. He is from Calumet City originally. His name's John Cope, the valve body king of Chicago. Yep, Cope Racing Transmissions. Right in front of me, well, this is his 440. A couple months ago, he gave me a call and said, hey man, got a camshaft problem with my truck. He's got a really awesome late 70s Power Wagon that is just lettered up and looks identical to his dad's shop truck from the 1970s. He had a cam failure, called me up and said, hey, can I get this dropped off? Can you go through it, see what it needs? So that's what I did. He dropped it off, him and Dougster from Dougster Wolverine Garage. Went through it, got it all cleaned up, checked everything out, gave him a parts list, he ordered it, and I put this thing back together. It really didn't need much, guys. Crank was in great shape. However, I did polish it up. I cleaned everything on it really well. Put in all new bearings, put in a new Isky 292 cam, new lifters. Just went over it, made sure it was good to go. And I tell you what, guys, it is good to go. So yeah, in this video, it's just gonna be 5 or 6 minutes of me and Kenny, Mad Dog, putting together that engine, and then we're gonna go to Cope Racing Transmissions to get this dropped off so he can put it in that awesome Power Wagon. Heck, we might even go get some hot dogs because we are big Chicago-style hot dog fans. But yeah, John's a really good friend of mine. I really look up to him in so many ways, just what he's able to do with transmissions, and I value his friendship. So this is the least I could do for him. And really, guys, I needed to get it done sooner than later because here pretty soon I'm leaving to Alaska to go on vacation. So yeah, this video is me putting this thing together, us going to Cope Racing Transmissions in Lowell, Indiana to get his 440 dropped off so he can put it in the Power Wagon, go cruising, and have a whole lot of fun. With that, I think Mad Dog Kenny's on his way over because we're going to load this up and we're going to hit the road. All right, I'm here at CRT Transmissions, and there's John's awesome 68 Coronet he's working on. This is the truck that 440 is going to be going in. It is absolutely stunning, and we will be seeing that later on this summer. And there's a big block Barracuda on the rack. And, of course, Mr. Haney, Hemi-powered Ford truck. And we got John right there.
What's up, folks?
How's it going, Mr. Cope?
Man, you cannot imagine how much you made my day getting this motor done for me.
It's not a problem.
You made my year, Jeff.
Good.
Yeah, I can't thank you enough for doing that for me.
It's all nice and pretty. We got it dropped off. It's a lovely, beautiful Sunday morning. But yeah, so we are at Cope Racing Transmissions. And so if you look on his shirt right there, the Calumet City Water Towers, that's actually on the side of that truck. You can see it right there. That's the replica of his dad's shop truck. And like I said, his Coronet's up there. This place is absolutely cool. Mad Dog's hanging out. Mad Dog transported the engine because he is the official hauler of Two Hacks Garage. What do you think, John?
I can't wait to get the truck going.
Perfect. I can't wait.
Really, that truck is probably out of all my vehicles, it's my favorite.
Yeah, I've read it a few times. It is absolutely awesome.
It really is.
Tell you what, John, how about we go get some hot dogs?
All right, let's go do it, brother. What do you like?
440's done.
I'll even let you pick the hot dog stand.
Oh, we're going to pick the hot dog stand.
How's that? We can go to Corky's or Bozo's. Or Aurelio's is open on Sunday, so it's up to you. What do you want?
Corky's.
All right, Corky's it is.
Corky's it is. See you guys at Corky's.
Bye. Anytime you come to White's Pit Stop, you got to talk to Bob.
You got to talk to Bob. The legendary White's Pit Stop and the legendary third blues brother, the Mr. John Cope, valve body king of Chicago. Well, seeing John and I are big Chicago style hot dog fans, you can probably guess where we're at again. Yep. We are at Corky's Doghouse. We're gonna go inside and eat some Chicago style hot dogs. Kenny's first time, so we're gonna break him in right. It's chow time. Whew! Well, that was a whirlwind of a trip. Went about 2.5 hours to Cope Racing Transmission, the valve body king of Chicago, if you want to call it, to drop off that 440. After that, stopped by and just got a cool picture at White's Pit Stop. Pretty historic speed shop going back to the US 30 drag strip days. And then we went and got lunch. Yep, we went to Corky's. John and I are really good friends. We share a lot in common. One of them is Chicago-style food, and we went and got some Chicago-style hot dogs. Absolutely amazing. Kenny, Mad Dog, the official car hauler of Two Hacks Garage, he tried it. He really liked it. From there, guys, well, you know what? Me and old Mad Dog, we headed home right now, about 2 hours later, and you know what? It was awesome. Got to see John. He's pretty happy about that 440. I can't wait to hear it going back in that late 70s Power Wagon. It's an exact replica of his dad's shop truck. It is absolutely cool. Can't wait to hear it. Hope he puts a smile on his face. John, it was awesome getting to work on that 440. I hope you enjoy it. But you know what, guys? As you're watching this, I'm probably sitting at a drag strip in the mountains of Alaska. Yep, I'm on vacation. I've been going 24/7 for months now. That was the third engine I built this winter, and off camera, I completely tore my dragster down and redid pretty much everything on it. I'm tired. I need some time off. I need a vacation. So as you're watching this, I am probably sitting at a drag strip watching cars fly through the mountains, if you want to call it, in Alaska. I know there'll be a video coming out on that. But speaking of videos, I have a lot of drag racing content coming out from a nostalgia event I went to. But the most important part is Mission from God, Part 2, getting that 440 back in that truck, or actually back and built, so go back in the truck, is done. John, good friend of mine. It was good seeing you. 2X Garage. We'll see you in the next one.